Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Embry and I was born in Scotland. I am proud to come from East Kilbride and this is my natural accent. East Kilbride is just kind of south of Glasgow and has notable figures such as TV presenter Lorraine Kelly, alternative rock band The Jesus and Mary Chain and geologist Professor Ian Stewart. Not many people tend to speak slang here, it's a bit too far away from Glasgow, but you'll still find that some old people use quite a lot of it. I'm now going to read the sentences given in the guide. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I've parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think that it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favourite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities. London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney and Dublin. Be kind to one another. If you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. I'm now going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now I will read in the letters and words. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow and Z is for zebra. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to give short information about my accent.